Today I wanted to make a short review for this Redmi A1. So let's get started. It was released in September 22. It has 2G, 3G, 4G bands, so no 5G. 192 grams. It has a dual SIM slot, so it supports, you can't use them both together. You will have to switch between networks if you wish to use the other SIM card. 6.5-inch IPS LCD. It comes with Android 12 Go edition. It has a MediaTek chipset, 2 GHz quad-core CPU, micro SD slot, 32 gig internal memory. Now the main camera has 8 megapixels and it records 5000 milliamp battery. It comes in a light green, light blue and black. In the UK it's £79, so I assume around 80 euros or around $80, something like that. It depends where you are. It's a decent phone. It looks very nice. It's a nice design, but it's quite limited. So for the price, I would assume it's a good phone for a starter, for a child, for example, as a first phone, or for someone elderly which doesn't use too many features, or even as a spare phone. So yeah, definitely it's worth the price. Now the photos are not great, 8 megapixel, but it's okay. As I said, for the price, it does the job, and it looks quite nice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.